Hey everyone, Jerry Gearhart here and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today we're diving into a project that's close to my heart, boosting your home's value right here in our beautiful Athens, Alabama. Click on the link in the description to get my Home Seller's Blueprint book mailed directly to your home. Whether you're thinking about selling your home or just want to make it the prettiest on the block, because who doesn't love that? We're going to walk through some of my favorite home improvements that can really make a difference. It's all about finding those special touches that make your house a home, while also adding a little bit of value along the way. So grab yourself a glass of sweet tea, get comfy, and let's get started. Y'all know what they say, you only get one chance to make a first impression. And when it comes to your home, that first impression happens the moment someone pulls up to the curb. It's that initial ooh or ah that sets the tone for everything else. A well-maintained lawn is a must-have. Think of it as a green welcome mat. Keep it trimmed, add some colorful flowers, and maybe even a charming little bird bath. And don't forget about a fresh coat of paint on that front door. A pop of color like a sunny yellow or a classic red can really make it stand out. Think about it. Wouldn't you rather walk into a home that looks inviting and loved from the outside? It just makes you excited to see what's waiting inside. Let's be honest, the kitchen is where the magic happens. It's where we gather with family, try out new recipes, and create memories that last a lifetime. So it's no surprise that a little kitchen love can go a long way when it comes to increasing your home's value. Now, I'm not talking about a full-blown gut job here, unless that's what you're after. Sometimes, it's the little updates that make all the difference. Think about swapping out those old appliances for sleek, modern ones. And who can resist the timeless beauty of new countertops? Whether you love the look of granite, quartz, or butcher block, a fresh surface can work wonders. And don't underestimate the power of updated cabinets. A fresh coat of paint or some new hardware can completely transform the look and feel of your kitchen. After a long day, there's nothing better than unwinding in a bathroom that feels like your own personal spa. And you know what? Potential buyers think so too. Even small updates in the bathroom can make a big difference. Swapping out those old faucets for something a little more modern can add a touch of elegance. And let's talk about tile. A fresh coat of paint on those bathroom walls or some new tiles on the floor can completely transform the space. Think about adding little touches that create a spa-like atmosphere. Fluffy towels, a bamboo mat, maybe even a few candles. It's all about creating a sense of relaxation and rejuvenation. Here in Alabama, we're blessed with beautiful weather for a good portion of the year. So why not create an outdoor living space where you can soak it all in? Adding a deck or patio is like adding an extra room to your home. It's a place to entertain, relax, and enjoy the fresh air. Imagine sipping your morning coffee on a cozy patio, surrounded by blooming flowers, or hosting a barbecue for friends and family on a spacious deck. Adding an outdoor fireplace or fire pit can create an inviting ambiance for gatherings that last late into the evening. And the best part? An outdoor living space doesn't have to break the bank. With a little bit of planning and some DIY spirit, you can create an outdoor oasis that's both stylish and functional. Y'all, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart, being good stewards of what we've been given, and that includes our homes. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors is one of the smartest investments you can make. Not only will you save money on your energy bills, and who doesn't love that, but you'll also be reducing your carbon footprint. Plus, homes with energy-efficient features are super attractive to buyers these days. It shows that you've taken care of your home and that you're thinking about the future. So consider swapping out those old drafty windows for some new energy-efficient ones. And don't forget about the doors. A well-insulated front door can make a world of difference. Well, friends, we've reached the end of our home improvement journey today. I hope these tips have inspired you to tackle some projects around your own home and add a little bit of value along the way. Remember, it's all about creating a space that you love, a space that feels like home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more home improvement inspiration. And be sure to share your own home improvement journeys with me in the comments below. I love hearing from y'all. Until next time, happy renovating.